Friends on the channel Valère, today I will show you what to do if the monitor does not work right. There is no signal through the DisplayPort. To begin with, make sure that you connect this very DisplayPort through respectively the video card, yes, and not through the motherboard, because you may have stepped into the motherboard and the video card is not transmitting a signal to you. That's it. So insert, or you can try any other display ports. Here you insert it and until it clicks. Further, if after starting the computer, yes, you there press on caps lock the same yes, and your keyboard responds yes to caps lock, well, like these buttons which we have on these indicators, that is, the computer has started, there is no signal to the monitor. In this case, try changing the cable or make sure that you have a monitor turned on at all. Here I have a button. That's it. If you somehow manage to start up your PC and monitor, then right-click to open Device Manager and reset the video adapter settings. Update the drivers. To do this, select the display adapter, right-click Update Drivers, then find and select from the list. Choose from the list and click Next. After that, restart your computer and check. If that doesn't work, the problem is probably either with the monitor or the cable. That's all. This was Valor. Goodbye, everyone.